Well, first of all, I would like to discuss that in our previous session, I think there was a glitch or some problem with the recording, because of which I couldn't record the part where I was demonstrating the paragraph tag on the browser. There's another mistake I've made, which is that I have included a space in between the name of my file. Let's just rename this first of all and just remove the space and save it. Okay, and there are different types of naming conventions of files in programming. We are going to discuss them in the future video. Stay tuned. For demonstration purposes, let's just copy the path of this file and go to the browser. Let's paste it right here, my first HTML, and yeah, it counted the next line as a space in between this backslash, forward slash, and the word attack. It didn't count the multiple spaces. It counted a single space for the next line and the single space for the multiple spaces that I've added inside this text. Now let's move on. Let's talk about semantic and non-semantic tags. Semantic tags are the ones which have a clear meaning. For example, by their name, we can know what type of content they will contain. Like for example, we have a section tag. This will be a group of elements including the head tag, the p tag, and many div tags. So this is a group of tags that defines a section. So by its name, we are clearly aware what this tag will contain. And as I mentioned, the div tag, by the name, we're not actually clear what this type of element can or will contain, what kind of content it encompasses. So these type of tags are called non-semantic tags. As an example, we have the table, the article, the form tag as semantic tags. On the contrary, we have the non-semantic tags. At the end of this tutorial series, we are going to build a complete project that will contain all the examples that you need to know to get started with these elements in a real-life practical project. So stay tuned and don't forget to hit that subscribe button or click on that notifications bell icon so you never miss a video.